Hello, guys. Today something weird happened. I heard a sound, so me and my dad, we run out of the kitchen. So we don't know what it was. That was weird. So that after happens, let's run inside because I don't know if it's a ghost. I don't know. If you didn't do this thing, the smoke thing with the red thing, you should. Our spirits are gonna come. And they're gonna probably do that stuff. Even though I do it. I only know that's a spirit. I don't know what it is. So, I'll see you later, guys. Subscribe, give me likes, and see you later, guys.